I can use my magic wand, make everything big and super wow. Ooh la la, magic wand, make me big and super wow. Yay! Wow! I'm so big. It's so hard to put a window on my pretty princess tower. Little fingers, time to show out. You can all work together and help me out.
Whoa!
Family fingers helping each other. We're such a great team. We are all.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hi, friends! Today we decided to make a surprise for Sue!
It's gonna be something to store her stationery in.
Alrighty, where did Ken go? We're gonna need his help!
Oh, I asked him to bring more cardboard.
I'm here. Sorry I'm late. Ugh, I'm so clumsy. Maybe you do it without me?
Don't be ridiculous!
That's right. Together we can do it.
Yay!
So, where do we start?
I thought you had a plan.
I got nothing. Barbie?
I think I've got an idea. Follow my lead.
There you go.
Ha!
And we're done.
That's not even close to starting to look like an organizer. Oh, I wish I hadn't thrown my old blueprints away. What do we do now?
Hey guys, what are you up to?
Sue, you scared me.
Wow, what is this? A tree?
This tree is for you, Sue. It's from Sam.
What? From me?
Come on, play along.
Yeah, it's for you, Sue.
Well, I love it. Also, I found this blueprint. We could make this today for the show.
It's my blueprint! Actually, that's what we were trying to make here. I mean, let's do this!
So, guys, to keep things running smoothly, each of you will have a task. Based on this blueprint, we need a base and 4 sideboards, each in 2 different sizes. I'll deal with the base. Ken will do the sideboards, and so will Sammy. Can you handle it?
Are you doubting me? It's my blueprint, you know.
What a responsible task. Sammy, wait! Ah! Oh, come on. Today is definitely not my day.
All right, let's get started. Aren't you forgetting something? No, I don't think so. Why? What about me, Sue? Am I really the odd one out in this project? Oh, sweetie, I have a very special task for you. Really? Really! We need some colored paper to make our organizer beautiful. Yay! I'm just perfect for that. Finally, everyone is busy.
Give in, silly cardboard. Sam will win you over.
Sammy, are you okay? Who are you talking to?
Don't distract me from my assignment. I'll do it my way.
Okay, little weirdo. I like him so much.
Hiya! That's what I call the craft power in action. Here, Sue. That wasn't easy, you know, but I did it.
Good job, Sammy. Now, where is Ken?
I've never made an organizer in my life. Am I doing it right at all?
You two?
Nah.
Who are you talking to? Is it some kind of a prank you and Sam are pulling on me, or what?
Barbie, help! I thought that was an easy assignment, but I can't do that.
First of all, put the hammer away. That's not what you need at all. Now, give me this cardboard. We'll see what can be done. Huh, that actually was kinda easy. Here you go, pal.
Wow, how did you do that?
Scissors, Ken. Plain scissors.
Hey, Sue, I'm done too. Barbie helped me. She's so cool.
Not cooler than me, though.
Dunno, Sam. She was impressive with those scissors. And she taught me how to use scissors too. She is awesome.
You all did great, guys. Look at that. I'm done too. I decided to go with purple. Ooh, I really love this color. Actually, it's exactly what I had in mind. It's such a pleasure to craft with you.
Aw, is she talking about us?
Of course! We're a dream team!
What would I only do without you, Barbie? Oh, Oh, I'm glad I could help.
You know, on second thought, you'd better go. I got this from here.
Sammy, what's gotten into you? Don't be rude.
Is that so? Then I will go!
Sorry, I didn't mean to ruin your drama.
Come on, guys. You are all needed here. And our purple box is ready. Although, it's kind of missing something.
Careful, Ken! Uh-huh. It's here, Sue! The missing piece is right here!
And where does it go? Oh, I get it. It's a shelf. Let's glue it in place. Also, we'd better make the edges look neat, too.
The next step is really fun. Sliding doors! Stay tuned, guys!
Barbie, could you bring me some more purple paper while I'm getting the doors ready? But this is the only color left. I guess we need slime magic.
I've been waiting for this moment, and it's finally here! Bibbidi-bobbidi, subscribity! Voila!
Excellent work, Sammy. Now, watch closely, everyone. This is the door number 1.
Oops! What are you doing, Sue? It won't work like that! Also, you forgot the handles. How are we gonna open them?
Nothing here says how to install the doors. What should I do?
That's exactly why I'm here, Sue!
A duel fight? Okay, I'm ready.
I didn't come here to fight. We can use this for the doors!
I think I got it. Okay, we need more of these. Ken, can you help me?
Of course! Give that thing to me, Sue. Uh-oh. Wow! I did it! I can't believe it! Ha-ha! Here you go, Sue!
Good job! Now, let's glue them in place. And this step is done.
Good timing! I just got the door handles ready.
Here they come! We can slide it open and close! This door works perfectly too. I really like it.
I like it too.
And me too!
But I don't. I mean, we need more compartments, don't you think? I agree! That's why I've made these pieces in advance. We only need to cover them with purple paper as well.
Sue, I think you cut those 3 pieces unevenly.
Let's throw them away. No need to keep trash.
This isn't trash. Give me just a few seconds and I'll show you what's what. And that's it. Well, what do you say?
But that wasn't part of my plan!
Sam, it was my idea to add the second floor. Don't you like it?
It's not that I don't like it. I'm kinda disappointed. It was supposed to be a super simple organizer. Now it's not.
But Sammy, it will fit more stuff this way. Just take a look.
I don't wanna look. I will make my own organizer. That's right! Outrageous!
Okay, Sammy, you know what? If you don't like it so much, we can just scrap the second floor. Yes, I'm so sorry, Sammy. I didn't think you'd be so upset.
Okay, I'll take a look. If it's so important to you. Okay. I'm not done yet. Interesting. Huh. Alright then. My verdict is, it's really good! Congratulations on your great idea, Barbie! The second floor stays!
Hooray!
Hey guys, I have an idea too. Let's decorate our organizer.
Sounds great. Okay, let's see what we have. It's really hard to choose. Help me out, guys, would you?
How about this camera? It looks so cool!
And I like this unicorn ice cream. It looks so yummy.
Is this a diamond? I want to add some gems to our organizer.
Okay, let's stick this one here. And your diamond, Ken, goes over here. Sam's camera goes on this door. And the one that Barbie wanted goes here. No, sorry guys, but I really want to get creative with these.
Susie, could you open this door, please?
What are you up to, Sammy? Wow, you've already filled it! Well done! And we have lots of stuff in here? Awesome!
I think we should keep this clay on the second floor.
Great idea! Don't forget the markers, too.
I'll put them here. And just like that, the organizer is ready. Let's check it out, folks.
Barbie, you did great today.
Thanks, and I appreciate your help, Ken.
It's such a pleasure working together with you guys.
Friends, give a like and subscribe to support our team of crafters.
It's in a tray with all your bits and pieces to make a fantastic jazzy pot. Why don't you try and make it in a minute?
We're here, Mr. Maker.
Oh, hello, everyone.
Watch this.
Oh, this should be fun. I wonder what they're up to.
I am puzzled. I am green. I'm yellow. I'm light blue. It's an octopus.
Well done, everyone. See you next time. Now it's time to frame it. Frame it. Frame it. Now take a look at this. This space picture is out of this world. It's easy to do and looks so good that you'll be able to frame it. You'll need dark-coloured paper, shiny paper, tin foil, buttons, sticky stars, a see-through plastic lid, a glue stick, and a photo of yourself. Take a sheet of dark-coloured paper. To make your astronaut, tear some tin foil and fold it into 4 long rectangles. These will be the arms and legs. Make sure the legs are a little bit longer than the arms. Fold a square like this for the body and glue them down together. Next, tear out some hands and feet from shiny paper and glue those down as well. Cut out a rectangle shape with rounded edges. This will be part of the space helmet. Then stick this on top of the body. Now for the fun bit. Take a photo of yourself and carefully cut your head out. Then stick it on top of the body. Every good astronaut needs a trusty space helmet. For this, glue a plastic lid on top of your photo, and because it's see-through, you can still see your face. To finish off the spacesuit, add a patch of paper for a chest plate and some buttons. Then roll some thin, wiry pieces of tin foil. These look good as tubes on the spacesuit. Bend them round between the body and the helmet and stick them down. To finish off the picture, add sticky stars and planets. Just cut some circle shapes out of coloured shiny paper and stick them on. There, all done. It's an out-of-this-world astronaut in space. Why don't you try blasting off into space too? What a fantastic picture! Now all that's left to do is frame it! Isn't it effective? And now, watch this! It's a messy picture! Gloopy! What do you think it is? It's a fabulous frog! Every time I pick an ice cream up, something silly happens that makes me drop it. But not today, no siree. Right, here we go. No! Oh no, it's happened again. Oh, yucky. My really bad luck with real ice cream has given me a really great idea. Let's make something. A bowl of brilliant fake ice cream that will never ever melt. Let's make it. We'll need some things from the doodle drawers. Come on. Some sponges, a plastic bowl and a plastic spoon, some paint and some gloopy PVA glue, a vacuum cleaner. Whoa! Whoa! No! We don't need that! Get back in there! Some colourful cake decorations. And finally, some corrugated card and some scissors. Whoa. Now, to make your very own bowl of fake ice cream, like this one here, take your scissors and trim your sponges into ball shapes. But be careful, because scissors are sharp. Ooh, yeah. Now this is a bit tricky, so you might want to ask an adult to help you. When you've trimmed your sponges into shape, dab some gloopy glue onto them and stick them into an old plastic bowl, but make sure you've got permission to use it first. There! Now we need to paint our sponges a nice ice cream colour. Now, as I like mint flavoured ice cream, I'm going to use mint green paint. And now for the yummy chocolate sauce. Mix some brown paint with some gloopy glue. Now we can pour this over our ice cream. Fantastic! And I know what's going to make this look even more delicious. Cake decorations! Let's sprinkle some on. There, very nice. And how about a wafer? For that, we'll need some light brown corrugated card and we'll cut it into a triangle shape with one curved edge, like this. There. Now we can pop this into the bowl and leave the whole thing to dry. And now, as a finishing touch, all that's missing is a spoon. Just put a dab of gloopy glue on the back of a plastic spoon. Just a tiny bit, that's enough. And then you can pop it into the bowl and leave it to dry. Fantastic, look at that. It looks just like the real thing. And there are lots of other fake ice creams you can try too. How about a chocolate ice cream with a strawberry sauce that's made by painting the sponge balls brown and dribbling on pink paint? Or how about vanilla ice cream with strawberry sauce and chocolate cake decorations? Fake ice cream that looks so real, it's making me hungry. So I'm going to give real ice cream another try. I'm sure I won't drop it this time. There's no one here but me and you. No banana skins on the floor. Nothing can stop me now. Oh!